So pick your teams. If you feel like you don't belong in that table or you want to change tables, this is the right time to move, exchange with somebody. And then at the end of it all, we're going to look at what you've been able to do. So the best team gets to win, and the losing team will actually perform vibes cartel music.